Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Windows 11 from showing Edge tabs in Alt+Tab. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. By default, pressing Alt+Tab in Windows 11 will show thumbnails of both open application windows and all tabs open in the Microsoft Edge browser. Here's how to turn that off. First, open Settings by pressing Windows+I on the keyboard. Or you can right-click the Start button and select Settings. In Settings, click System in the sidebar, then scroll down and select Multitasking. In Multitasking settings, locate the Alt+Tab section and click the drop-down menu located there. When the drop-down menu expands, select Open Windows only. After that, close Settings. After making that change, you'll still see Microsoft Edge in your Alt+Tab view, but only the selected tab in each open Edge window. That's it. If you guys find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.